In this algebra problem, we have addition, division, and multiplication. A common mistake that most people will make when solving this problem is they'll think, I know how to add, I know how to divide, and I know how to multiply, so I can obviously just solve this by working from left to right. Well, if you do this, you're going to be wrong every single time because the order of operations was not properly followed. A way to remember the order of operations is the acronym PEMDAS. So P, E, M, D, A, and S. The P stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. And multiplication and division are the same level of priority, so we're going to group them together. And then we have A for addition and S for subtraction. And just like multiplying and dividing are the same level of priority, so are adding and subtracting, so we're going to group them together. Now we're going to rewrite this problem. So we have 22 plus 14 divided by 7 times 4 divided by 8. So since we don't have any parentheses or exponents, we're going to move on to the next level of priority, which is to multiply or divide. And obviously here we have multiple multiplication or division operations. And whenever this happens, we're just going to work from left to right because they're the same level of priority. So starting out, we have 14 being divided by 7 when working from left to right. Well, when we divide 14 by 7, we get 2, and then we're going to bring down the rest of this problem. So we have 22 plus 2 times 4 divided by 8. We're still working from left to right, so we have 2 times 4, which we know gives us 8. Then we're going to bring down the rest of this problem, so we have 22 plus 8 divided by 8. So since we still have division here, we're going to work through that. So we have 8 being divided by 8. Well, we know that that gives us 1, and then we're going to drop down our 22. Since we don't have any more multiplication or division, we're going to move on to our last priority of adding or subtracting. So we're going to add 22 plus 1, which we know gives us 23. So our answer is B, 23. If you enjoyed this video, then please smash those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.